The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning. How are you on this Tuesday morning? It's the 7th day of June. Still a little muggy out here this morning. We have a temperature of 73 and a dew point of 72, but the dew point will be coming down a little bit today, and I think by late this afternoon, the dew points will be in the upper 50s. We like that. We'll talk about a nice storm-free period of days ahead and some heat. Yeah, a big heat wave pattern developing for much of the country by this weekend. Wait till you see the numbers, and I'll show you where Colin is. Colin, this storm is racing away. The latest on Colin, too. Here you go.
Boy, look at Colin this morning, just racing off to the northeast, already 110 miles northeast of Jacksonville, moving northeast at 31 miles per hour. Top wind still at 50 miles per hour. The pressure still 1,002 millibars. Look at the cone as this thing races off the North Carolina coast and into the open Atlantic. Goodbye, Colin. And then high pressure filling in back behind it. That's the subsistence behind this tropical system. Sinking air and another reinforcing front on the way. Less humid air today. That's a good thing. Temperatures will be in the low 90s, but you know it's going to be a more comfortable low 90s with mostly sunny skies. Tonight's low 64. Boy, a couple of nice nights ahead. Northwest wind 6 to 12 miles per hour today. And I think tomorrow night will be even cooler, maybe even low 60s tomorrow night. Nice for June tomorrow with highs in the upper 80s and relatively low humidity, sunny, dry, warm on Thursday. I think we'll be in the low 90s. What is that off the Florida coast on Thursday? Getting a little hotter on Friday. I think we're in the middle 90s by then and still hotter over the weekend. Are you kidding me? Yeah, I think upper 90s are certainly a possibility. One of the models is going a little higher. You'll see that in a moment. But in the upper reaches the atmosphere, 20,000-foot winds, big ridge of high pressure all the way up to the Canadian border. And see that purple in the southeast? That's some hot air, my friends. So we'll say, upper 80s tomorrow, lower 90s on Thursday, mid-90s on Friday, upper 90s on Saturday, and at least mid to upper 90s on Sunday with mostly sunny skies, a dry weekend ahead. That's good news for all the big events this weekend. So we're dry through the weekend according to the European. The European starts to bring in a few showers early next week and a better chance of showers later next week on the 10-day European model. And what about specific numbers on the European? Well, it's got lower 90s today. I like that. And it's got upper 80s on Wednesday. That's our forecast. It's got mid 90s at least over the weekend, but the GFS has lower 100s over the weekend. I think that's a little extreme, but you get the idea. I guess it wouldn't be too out of the question that we hit 100. We'll see. Some hot days ahead this weekend. Get ready.
All right, so no 11 o'clock update from the Blue Water Weather Center today, but I'll be live on the radio starting at 6 o'clock this morning on News Talk 93.1. You'll also hear me on Bama Country and Kiss FM, and my forecast all day long on the 8 radio station group. Another video for you tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning, right around 5 o'clock. I hope you have a great day today. We have a nice weekend to look forward to. A little hot. Have a good one. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.